playing with my cat and recording it. S'mores. I'm not. Not on camera.
Not on camera?
Oh, here comes Scrambles.
This isn't Chat Roulette or Omegle. So I'm gonna go.
I got banned from Chat Roulette.
You did?
Yeah. Scrambles let go. Scrambles.
TV's top-rated sitcom. Now, the task of saving the billion-dollar hit Two and a Half Men from a months-long savaging by departed star Charlie Sheen, maybe falling to fresh-faced 33-year-old Ashton Kutcher, who began his career on That 70s Show. You may think this song is stupid, and it's a monumentally moronic Dude, Where's My Car? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Since then, he's enjoyed a kind of perpetual prominence, thanks to his MTV celebrity gotcha con, Punk'd. Oh, wait a second, maybe his 2005 marriage to Screen Siren Demi Moore, 15 years his senior, and his million-plus followers on Twitter, who received this tantalizing tweet just last night. What's the square root of 6.25? The answer, 2.5. Kutcher has no box office bonanzas to his credit, but his I'm up for anything appeal figures to make him a kinder, gentler hedonist compared to the dark luxury of Sheen, who earned $1.2 million an episode for his No word on what Kutcher might make in his stead. His hiring, like the news that rom-com icon Hugh Grant was also in the running for the role, suggests that Two and a Half Men's producers will forego the male audience that cheered on Charlie the Bad Boy, and opt instead to cast the lead more likely to set female hearts aflutter, like For Good Morning America, Chris Connolly, ABC News, Los Angeles.
All right, Chris, thank you very much. We got a great audience down here. I won't tell you what part of my body she's going to put on Facebook. Lindsay Yodi made me aware of that, and so Sam's got to get prepared. But first, let's go back upstairs. You guys, Josh, with some developing stories right now.
Thank you. And we do continue to follow some breaking news at this hour. What's being called the first retaliatory attack for the death of Osama bin Laden. The Taliban claiming responsibility for the bloodiest attack in Pakistan this year. Dozens of military recruits have been killed. Our Nick Schifrin has just arrived at the scene. Nick?
The 800 recruits who were training here were just about to go home. They graduated yesterday. They'd had a party, and this morning they boarded these vans in order to leave. And that's when two suicide bombers drove up in motorcycles and exploded in this group of vans, killing more than 80, injuring more than 150. The Pakistani Taliban are claiming credit today, saying that this attack was in revenge for Osama bin Laden's death. But the fact is they have attacked this area before. Over those mountains right there, there's a war going on between the Taliban and the Pakistani army. This area has been so affected. There's killings, there's kidnappings, and when I come here, I have to wear local clothes in order to try and blend in and not make myself a target. More than 4,000 Pakistani police and soldiers have died here since 9/11. And the fact is this war is only going to get more violent. The Pakistani Taliban are vowing more attacks
You got it.
for Osama bin Laden. Josh?
Schifrin in Pakistan. Meantime, U.S. intelligence officials say they learned more about al-Qaeda in the last 10 days than in the last 10 years, all thanks to the material found inside Osama bin Laden's compound. They've finally been given access to bin Laden's 3 wives. But we're told the wives were in fact hostile and are not cooperating. Meanwhile, Texas Republican Congressman Ron Paul made it official this morning here on Good Morning America. He's joining the 2012 race for the White House. The now 3-time presidential hopeful is a fierce critic of government spending and is considered the intellectual godfather of the Tea Party. Meanwhile, it looks like Facebook has been caught red-handed. The company admits hiring a PR firm to plant negative stories in the media about Google. But Facebook denies it was a smear campaign, saying it only wanted to highlight privacy concerns. And now Diane Sawyer with the preview of tonight's World News. Diane?
And a great good morning to you, Josh. And tonight, a sign of the times. The women trying to help their husbands become president by putting their own pasts